Hi, so today I want to discuss a very important question that a lot of people ask me, that is minoxidil safe? So minoxidil is a very safe drug, and basically initially this medicine came up in the market as a BP lowering medicine, and eventually it was seen that it can also help to increase the hair growth, and initially the tablets were there, and then topical formulation started coming in the market which was safer for the hair growth. So this is a very good medicine for the male pattern baldness. Some of the side effects that may be seen is one thing, it can have a dependence potential. So that is why some people are skeptical about taking it, but this can easily be tackled by knowing that whenever you want to stop this medicine, we will not stop it right away, but we will stop it in a gradual tapering pattern, which means first we'll start applying it on alternate days, and then every 2 days, and then once a week, and then stop it. So that will help us not have any side effects and not have any dependence potential, and we would be able to stop. Then some people have noticed that there is an early telogen effluvium, which means there's an increased shedding when you start minoxidil for a few days to a month. So this occurs because minoxidil basically goes and stimulates your hair follicles, and the hair which is actually weak and the shedding phase is actually shed off, so that newer growth and better hair can come up. And this is absolutely okay, because after that a very good hair growth is seen on the longer run by the use of minoxidil. The third thing is that a very few percentage of people can develop skin irritation, can develop scalp itching, scaliness, and allergies to minoxidil. And this is not just minoxidil, any product that you are using in the market which is available, any product can cause allergies to you. So this is actually valid for everything, and if such a thing happens with minoxidil, we usually consider switching to a gel form or a foam form. Most often that helps in solving the concern, but if it does not solve the concern, then we have to stop it and then switch to an alternate medicine. And then the fourth thing that is important is that because it is a BP lowering medicine, if somebody is on BP lowering medicines itself, is hypertensive and taking some BP lowering medicines, then they should not apply minoxidil and take the medicine together, because that will lead to more falling of BP than what is expected. So then in such patients, we tell them that you must have a minimum 2-hour gap between taking the medicine and applying minoxidil. And that is all about the side effects of minoxidil. So you can see that it is a completely safe drug and having a very good safety profile, and moreover it is US FDA approved for male pattern baldness and androgenic alopecia. But you must consult a dermatologist, and you must take it in the proper way and in the prescribed format.